Hey guys, Panther0822 here. All right, so we just wrapped up a very fast rundown of the left-hand side of uh, of the character builder here for Pathfinder 2e using the Lone Wolf character generator. So just did a real quick rundown of that left-hand side up to through our abilities. So now let's take a look at equipment. One of the questions I got about the equipment in the last video was, can I do a custom piece of equipment? And the answer is yes, you can. So let's go over that. We'll say weapon, and then I'm going to add, and then we're going to say it's a custom melee weapon. Now, the main thing is, when it comes to building it, the first thing you have to do is you have to hit custom, have to assign whatever the value of that particular weapon is. In this case, I'm not going to say anything. And other than adjusting the size, I can't do anything further immediately, which is definitely a bit frustrating because I would have preferred not to have to do a double process, which unfortunately I'm going to have to do. All right, so now that I've got this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say add for free. And now what I've got is I've got my custom weapon slot. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit these three little dots over here. And I'm going to edit my custom weapon. So custom weapon name, we're going to say it's GM's Bane. Not going to worry about custom cost, not going to worry about bulk, anything like that. All right, so now we're going to scroll down, and now that we've got all of our stuff in here, so damage dice, we can up, and we're going to be crazy. We're going to have fun with it. We're going to say that damage type is, we're going to say it's an acid weapon. And damage dice, we're going to say 20. Just because, why not? Go big, go home. Damage size, we're going to say 10, just for the heck of it. Weapon type, we are going to specify that it is an advanced weapon, just because we can. And then we've got our options as far as our materials, so we can say what it's made out of. So we've got cold iron. Let's actually get up to the top here real quick. All right, so we've got unspecified. We've got adamantine, cloth, cold iron, mithril, other if it's something, paper. That's kind of funny, actually, when you think about it. The paper's mightier than the sword. It can be. Paper cuts suck. Anyways, and then we've also got silver, stone, and wood. So what we're going to say is that we're going to say it's an adamantine weapon, just for the heck of it. It doesn't have any reach. And then hand requirements is 1, is fine. And then we can also now add a weapon group. So we can hit the plus there, and then we can say the type of weapons. We're going to say it's a sword. And then... where'd it go? Disappeared on me. First hand. Edit. Oh, it disappeared on me. That was a little annoying. Oh, GM's Bane, down here. I'm just being blind. Okay. Need to finish editing it. We weren't done editing. Alright. So, adamantine, we've got all that. So, traits. If we want to add some traits to it, we're going to hit the traits. We're going to say it's got the deadly trait. And then we're also gonna say that it has sweep as well. And again, what's really cool is it gives you the descriptions right here. So we're just gonna add and close. All right. And now I can just click on it and I can still edit it and change it and do all sorts of cool things. And I can put in the description down here in the notes. But that is how I build a custom weapon. Now, again, when it comes to our equipment, we've got our armor. And again, what we can do with armor is we can add, and yes, we can absolutely do a custom piece of armor. It works the same way, though. You have to basically double select. So you put in your value for it. You hit add. It gives you your custom armor. Hit the 3 dots. Hit edit. And then you just go to town. You go in. You specify the type of armor that it is. You specify the materials that it's made out of. You can add weapon groups. You can add traits. You can also add additional special materials. You can add runes. So if it's runic armor or something like that, you can go through, add runes. You can add a talisman to it, and you can add your descriptions. So that is just a quick, brief rundown of the customization option that you have with the Pathfinder 2e from Hero Labs. And one last thing that I do also want to go over real quick while I'm thinking about it, because I know that when I initially did this, I really wanted to do it. So, one of the things that I tried to find was a bag of holding. And I know I did a video, the first video I did, I kind of went over this, but the bag of holding is an awesome item and everybody wants one, but they're stupidly expensive and they're a rare magical item. So a lot of times it's like, all right, well, I've got to go into my special items, but I'm going to try and search bag of holding. In the generic search, I can't find it. So I go to held items and boom, there it is. Bag of holding gives you your 4 different levels along with the prices. Basic bag of holding level 1, 75 gold. So not bad, but definitely if you're first level adventurer, you're not going to be getting a bag of holding unless the entire party that you're going with contributes to a bag of holding, which honestly, not a bad investment. If the entire party invests in a level 1 bag of holding, great option for a party. Fantastic option. Good way to do things. But that's how you find the bag of holding. Sometimes, the thing that I've noticed with the Hero Labs is if you're looking for a specific item, you've got to narrow it down to the category of what the item is, and then you find it within the category. And that's how you have to do it. So anyways, if you guys have any further questions about Hero Labs, about how the software works, if there's anything that you think I missed, let me know. If you've got any questions, throw them in the comments. And until the next stream or upload, I'm Panther082. Peace out. See you on the next one.